Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel highlights. Start by assessing base color and porosity to choose the right technique and lift level. Mix your lightener or gloss to a warm caramel tone and test on a small section. Apply to mid-lengths and ends first, then paint toward roots for a natural blend. Monitor development closely and neutralize brass with a warm toner for soft, shiny results that mimic natural sun lightening. Prepare your workspace and tools to maintain control and cleanliness. Choose a lightener strength that lifts hair safely while preserving integrity, and mix with the recommended developer. Section hair into manageable panels and label if needed to keep placement consistent. Work from back to front and alternate highlight sizes for a blended finish. Keep a timer and check strands frequently to avoid overprocessing. Then rinse and apply an appropriate toner and nourishing mask. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more tutorials like this. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long color sessions and fits in most salon cup holders, making breaks easier and more refreshing. I personally love its leak-proof lid and insulation for cold water between clients. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on placement and contrast to create a flattering caramel effect that frames the face. Place finer pieces near the hairline and thicker pieces toward the crown for balanced brightness. Keep the brightest bits where sun naturally hits and blend toward roots for low-maintenance regrowth. Use a warm toner to remove any unwanted brass and finish with a conditioning gloss. Maintain color with sulfate-free shampoo and regular deep conditioning treatments to preserve shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.